In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transform your images using Canva in a quick and easy way. We'll focus on a few creative techniques that will give your photos a professional edge, perfect for presentations, social media posts, or personal projects. By the end of this video, you'll know how to remove the background of your image, change it to a color of your choice, and add a stylish shadow effect to make it stand out. First things first, let's get started by opening up Canva on your device. Whether you're using the app or the website, the experience will be seamless. After logging in, you'll be presented with Canva's versatile interface, which is designed to help bring your creations to life with ease. Now, it's time to upload your image. Simply locate the Upload button and navigate through your files to select the image you wish to edit. Canva makes it quite straightforward to bring your visual content into the workspace. Once your image is uploaded, you'll want to click on it, bringing up a range of editing options. Now, we're going to focus on a powerful tool, removing the background. This feature is incredibly useful for when you want your subject to pop without any distracting elements. To do this, you'll find and click the Remove Background button. Canva's intelligent tool will do most of the work for you. It's designed to detect the main subject and make it stand out without an unnecessary backdrop. It might take a moment, depending on the complexity of your image, but the results are almost always intuitive and clean. Now that you've got your foreground ready, it's time to change the color of the background. Canva gives you plenty of customization options here, allowing for a personal touch that fits your specific needs. Pick a color that complements your image or speaks to the mood you want to convey. Have a bit of fun experimenting with different shades until something clicks for you. Remember, the choice is entirely yours, so feel free to express your creativity here. Next up, let's enhance your image further by adding a shadow effect. You'll want to click on Edit and then navigate to the Effects tab, where you'll see various options for tweaking your image. From there, select Shadows and then specifically choose Glow. This feature allows you to add an outline that will give your image a striking depth effect. To make this shadow effect truly yours, scroll down to adjust the color. Again, you're free to choose whichever color you think best complements your design. Don't be afraid to try out a few variations until you find one that really captures the look you're going for. Finally, fine-tune the details by adjusting the size, blur amount, and intensity of the glow. These sliders let you control how subtle or dramatic your shadow effect will be. Play around with these settings until you've created a balanced look that enhances rather than overwhelms your image. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you've successfully edited your image in Canva, giving it a professional finish with just a few clicks. Experiment, play around with different options, and most importantly, have fun creating.